Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make video mock-up in Canva. So this is a very easy tutorial, especially if you want to promote something. If you have your business or project, then you can use Canva for video mock-up. However, let me remind you that you can only use this if you're using the pro version of Canva. If you're using the basic version, then you cannot see this. Open your Canva, go to the three dots, look for the application, and then here you can search for video mock-up, or you can search for mockup, then you will see a different templates or frames that you can use for your video mockup. So let's just say I'm going to type mockup right here. Once you're done, and then you can tap on the search or press enter. You can also look for mockup video if you can see one, but I think Canva, or all you have to do is just type mockup and then just press enter, then you will see the application in which you can use this for your video mockup. So press enter, then you will see the application right here in Canva. If you're using the pro version, there are tons of applications that can help you create your video mockup. These are the applications, and all you have to do is to click one. Again, you can only unlock this feature if you're using the pro version of Canva. So we will be using this application, transform your design into realistic mockup in 3D. All you have to do is to click on edit a new design if you don't have one yet. If you have already your design, click the first one. Now, if you tap this, then you will see the following. So if you want to post this to your Facebook, to your Instagram, all you have to do is to select that. However, for the meantime, or for this time, we will be using landscape video, and it will show you this. So basically you can use this templates right here, or if you're looking for specific, like for example, if you want to create a video mockup for mugs, for shirts, for TV, for cell phones, you can go to the left side, scroll down and look for mockups. Here you can see specific mockups for your video. So let's just say video mockups, click this see all right here, then you will see the following. Okay, so all you have to do is to double click or drag this to the blank page. Now, once you have chosen that, you need to have your image ready. So you can upload your photo or image that you want to add here to your video mockup. You can add this or you can upload that from your device. Or if you don't have one, you can also go to elements and then search for a specific picture or image. Canva has tons of images and pictures that you can use for your project, for your business. All you have to do is tap on elements, click or type that specific keyword, or let's just say subject, whatever it is, and then press enter. Go to graphics or pictures. You cannot add a video right here. Just go to pictures and graphics, and then basically just click, select that picture that you want, and then drag this to the frame or inside the frame. And what you're going to do next is you just have to simply wait for a couple of seconds or minutes, depends, and you will see that inside this mock-up right here. This is what it looks like. As you can see, you can increase the size, and this is how you use this application for video mockups. If you're not satisfied, go back to the mockup applications and then select for any other application right there. Look for the templates or their samples, and all you have to do is to click that and then drag the image or picture inside. Then you will see the result like this. This one is good for advertising, for project, for presentation, and everything is in Canva. If you want to change, just delete this one and then look for another, let's just say for mugs, for cell phones, or for gifts. You can see it inside the Canva. And again, you can only unlock this feature if you're using the pro version. You just have to click, drag, upload the picture or image, or go to elements and then select and drag it inside the frame. Okay, and basically that's it. So if you want other ways, like if you want to be very artistic or other ways to showcase the video mock-up, you can go back to the application and then look for other application there. This is not the only application that you can use for your video mockups. If you are upgraded into pro version, you can go to application and then select other application for video mockups right there. So this is what it looks like. Again, you cannot drag video right here. You can only drag pictures, images. Okay. You can also crop this one. You can add background color. You can resize this or add some elements or add designs in the blank page. If you don't want to increase this fully, you can add elements and whatsoever. So this is just an example on how to create that video mockup. You have the options to add more designs because there is still available spaces here in your Canva blank page. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, there are other applications that you can use in Canva, but these applications, I guess you need to be the owner of your Canva Pro in order for you to unlock this. This is what it looks like. And it's the same thing, just drag and then add the picture and it will show up like that. Okay, so again, all you have to do is to create your Canva account and then go to application and then select that specific application for your mockup. Look for video mockups and then select the picture that you want to add to your video mockup, and you will see the result right away. And basically, that's it. So I really hope that somehow help you on how to make video mockup in Canva. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.